So now we have a sense for what these profiles are, and we know that these are roles, and we know that we can associate a profile with a role. So probably a good idea for our situation is to create a folder that all site editors can use and share images within. So let's go ahead and create a new profile for site editors. I'm going to go ahead and click Add New Profile under Operations here, and we'll call it Site Editors. We'll allow the tab to show up in the profile pages, and then we'll go take a look at that later. Maximum file size per upload, let's go ahead and extend this to 5. Under directory quota, let's go ahead and set this to 0. For now, we don't want to limit how many uploads a user can make. For total user quota, let's go ahead and leave that at 0 as well to leave it unlimited. Let's keep the permitted file extensions to just images for now. And the maximum image resolution is fine at 800 by 600. I'm going to scroll down. Let's go ahead and allow bulk operations for these images. So I'm going to switch this from 1 to 0. And then in the directory path, let's go ahead and create a new shared directory, and we'll put it under images and then site editors. And let's give them the ability to delete and resize, as well as browse, upload, and create thumbnails. All right, I'm going to scroll down. We'll leave the thumbnails as is, and let's go ahead and click Save Configuration.